If you need a super quick and easy project, then this tutorial is for you, because you'll learn how to crochet a simple heart step by step. This is a perfect beginner project for Valentine's Day or anytime you need a cute, fast gift. I will be using a 5.5mm hook and worsted weight yarn. Our first step will be making a magic circle. Please follow my steps carefully. Our second step is going to be working the first round of stitches. Start with chain 3. We already have one chain, so we just add 2 more. Make sure all your stitches are worked under these 2 yarn strands. Make 3 double crochets. Next, make 3 half double crochets. Chain 1, make 1 double crochet, chain 1 again, next make 3 half double crochets, then 3 double crochets, Now chain 3 and finally slip stitch into the ring. Now we are going to pull the tail yarn. Pull up the loop and remove your hook. Hold the tail yarn and pull gently to close. You can see the heart shape is starting to form. From here we can go ahead and weave in our ends and end our project. If you're interested in adding a border with a different yarn color or even making a better finishing with the same color like this piece you see here, then wait a little. I'll show you after demonstrating how to finish the piece we have been making in our tutorial. To finish our project, we shall need a pair of scissors to cut the yarn and a darning needle to sew in the ends. Go ahead and chain 1, cut your yarn and pull the yarn through the loop. Now we shall sew in our loose ends. Try to hide the yarn between the stitches and make sure the center remains closed. I will go ahead and show you how to add a border, but this is optional. Add the new yarn color and chain 1. Then we are going to make a slip stitch in each stitch. I will show you. Continue making the slip stitches. I'll meet you at the end. After making your last slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn and pull to tighten. Proceed to weave in the loose ends as I showed you earlier in this video. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel for more beginner-friendly projects. Also like, comment and share this video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video where I'll be talking about the slip stitch in detail.